sell this.
Trainerheads, we are in Manchester, Crepe City. We are going to see some crazy trainers today. We're going to interview a few of the trainer sellers. We're going to interview some of the people that have come down today. This is going to be a big event. Like, this is my first time in Manchester for Crepe City, so let's go. So we're in Crepe City, and I'm with Easy, Kicks, Ian, my guy.
Good to meet you, man.
I've always wanted to see this guy because he was always giving us good feedback on the DMs. So how's things going today?
It's good, man. Good vibes, man. We've seen a couple of customers, a couple of clients that I've had on Instagram. So yeah, it's good to see faces. We've made a few sales, which is good. It's good. The atmosphere itself is good for me, man. Getting the exposure, seeing people, and yeah, just meeting the people that pretty much keep the stuff going. So yeah, man, it's going good.
Is this your first time in Manchester?
Yeah, it's my first time for Crepe City. In fact, my first time at any event in all. So yeah, man, it's going good.
You've got some fly kicks already, I'm seeing.
Yeah, man, you got your trailers. You got your J-Pack, your green dump J-Pack. So
so he's got one of these.
Got purples. Got purple SBs, boys. You know we love a good SB.
You need a pair of these. You need a pair of these.
Got a pair of Celadons. Pair of Celadons right here. Got a paint splash in the midsole, man. You can't go wrong. But boys, I want to show you something on the camera before.
Look at that. We're going to get some exclusives, guys. Some mad exclusives. Look at that.
Everyone's gassed about the new Oreos, yeah? So we've got a pair of 2012 black Oreos here, size 8, guys, man. You can't go wrong. So
can't go wrong with it.
Don't forget about the old school shoes, man. Don't pop. That's why they re-released the new pair.
Exactly.
So hard, man. Yeah, bro. One more thing, man. Look, we got a bit of cash there for buying for guys. We're buying pairs today.
Don't forget, he's buying for
we're buying pairs today.
My eyes are witnessing it. He's got the kicks.
I'm not only selling books, I'm here to support the market as well. So I'm not just here to take you guys money, I'm also here to give you guys money as well, man. So
that's what I like, man. Yo, it's Steven from Trainerheadz, and I'm with my favorite sneaker, Economist. It's a sneaker dog. My guy. If you want to know anything about stocks in the market, anything about the business, this is the guy. Literally, I find out all my stuff. When I know if business are going up, going down, the trainer market, this is the guy, man.
There's a lot going on behind the scenes. It's not just about copying users. It's important, but there's so much more as we've seen through Brexit. So,
exactly.
And COVID as well. So it's,
how are you enjoying Manchester?
It's good. I drove up last night. Just stayed down the road actually.
Okay.
And here for the day, and then driving back tonight.
Oh yeah, same.
Working tomorrow.
Oh yeah,
market's open.
Yeah, so market's open again. See, that's a man that's serious. That's a man that's serious. Is this your first time in Manchester?
No, so I came to Crepe City 2 years ago.
Okay.
That was a lot smaller venue. People couldn't get in and stuff, so they've obviously opened it.
Yeah, okay.
We've got Crepe City Fox Park next week.
Yeah, Wembley.
Wembley. So that'll be good. I'm going to try and get along to that one.
Cool.
Yeah, it's good. It's nice coming up here. I've got family up in Manchester as well.
Oh, right, cool. You found any grails? That's the question.
Grails, I'm not going to be able to afford to buy a grail. Especially not from...
No, the way the pandemic's gone. Today, that's Sneaker Dog. Follow him on Twitter, Instagram, everything, all the socials. This is the guy, man. He is our sneaker economist. He knows everything. Everything.
Any questions?
Alright, man. Thanks, my guy.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon.
Very much.
Nice one. Thanks. Introduce yourself. Let us know who you are.
Alright, so I'm James. I'm the founder of the Urban Syndicate. Basically, we're like a sneaker page. We sort each other out for retail, show out new releases, we help each other comp new shoes, and then we're doing events, so we're going to start in New York, so like obviously we can get a group together, get everyone showing off the sneakers, just having a general good time and just working everything out.
Okay. So you're from Manchester, right? Okay, cool. So James is from Manchester. This is my first time coming to an event like this in Manchester. Normally we come up to meet our friends, Sneaker 63. What do you think about the event today?
I'm really enjoying it. I think Manchester's really underrepresented in the scene, so obviously coming from Manchester, it's good to just see like people out and about. Like just good to see everyone get together. I've seen loads of people I know, obviously through the Urban Syndicate and my own personal page. So it's just good to like catch up and have a good vibe.
And this is what we like to hear. This is why we explore. This is why we come up. This is why we don't only stay in London, because the scene is bigger than London. Like Manchester, James here doing such a great thing with the Urban Syndicate, and to be honest, I really love Manchester. Let's tell our followers where we can find you.
So check us out on Instagram at the_urban_syndicate. Drop the ball. We have a Discord group where obviously like we're arranging like how to cop shoes and stuff, and just getting everyone tried out for retail to try and spread the good word.
Cool. cool. That's what we like. We like people that are helping the community get trainers and kind of show people how to do it properly.
Yo, so Steve, Trainerheadz. I'm here with Crepe from Crepe, and the man in here. Introduce yourselves, Steve.
Yeah, I'm Sneakers and Trims UK, Boxers Forever, Crepe, you know who it is.
Soul to Soul 2020.
Yeah.
Crepe from Crepe UK. Come on. How you not enjoying Manchester?
Yeah, great man, it's fun down here, man.
Your first time?
Yeah, first time, man.
Same.
It's my first time in Manny still.
In Manny, no?
Yeah.
Hey, Manchester goes off still. I can't lie.
I know.
It goes
I
off.
heard about the nights out, but
Yeah.
I ain't got that far. It's too long, man.
Yeah,
I'm from
not
London,
today.
fam.
Yeah,
It's
same.
my
We're
time.
night out tonight, though.
Man hit on the Travis fragments yesterday. You get me?
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
We got a few people that's got the fragments, so we're gonna get our review soon on the fragments.
Yeah, man. We'll wait for that.
What do you think? Is that your favourite Travis?
I've got only that Travis. That's my first.
Is that your first Travis?
Yeah, so
That's a mad lucky, you know.
Yeah.
Your first Travis is a fragment. Nah, hey, listen, I need to get what he's getting because that's mad luck.
Yeah. So big up Offspring, and one from Offspring.
And you want from Offspring. That's like, you know, that's like applying for a job in like Apple. Like, literally.
Bro, like, you know what it is? It's that you have to be consistent and engaged.
Yeah. No, they did. I like, we got the Offspring community, man.
I've took mad L's. I've took mad L's.
That's what I'm saying, Offspring's a big community, man, and that's why we all get involved because he won them, I lost them, but it feels like I won them because my bro won them. You get what I'm saying, man? It's like the same with you, man, innit? If one of you don't get it, it's like all of you will win it. I felt it today. Yesterday I felt it, I seen his lace.
My bro, trainer of the year, innit? Remember I said that?
Well, the fragments.
Getting the low.
Trainer
The lows is what I'm trying to win. The lows is what I'm trying. If I can get the lows, I don't mind taking an L on the F, man. I'm with the guys that we're enjoying Manchester. We're gonna catch up with them a bit more. But yeah.
Big up Trainerheadz, yeah? Big up
Trainerheadz all day, man.
Doing their thing. Make sure you support their thing, you get me? Their algorithms. Help them, comment, like, subscribe, share. Make sure you save the videos on Instagram because that's the new algorithm.
Yeah. A lot of people don't know about that. Save the video.
Support's the main key for all of us training people, man.
Exactly.
Big community, man.
Big up Crepe City, big up Trainerheadz.